Oh, hi there, family and friends. What's up, what's up, what's up? Happy New Year to you. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and it's Sunday morning in the kitchen. Now, today, people, we're going to spice up things differently. I have my friend and chef, Mr. Dixon, who will demonstrate how he does his signature Jamaican French fried chicken. Now, family and friends, as you can see, I am out in nature. So, of course, cooking will be done outside. I hope you enjoy this, my Jamaican cooking experience. Garfield Dixon is our chef today, and he will demonstrate how he does his signature French fried chicken, right? So, chef, what you got here, sir? So he has the mixture. When I mix that, chef?
That's a flour has in complete seasoning and
Salt
paprika.
and paprika. Okay, so complete season and paprika here is an outside cooking thing, people. So we have to cover it up back. This is a part of it too? Okay.
So the chicken dipped in this flour and go in the pot.
Oh, so what you use make this now?
That's flour and the same complete seasoning.
And complete seasoning.
Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna dip it in this, then you flour it, and then you fry it. Alright, then I can see that chicken pot here now. See the people? Alright, so see chicken there. No? Oh, and a chef seasoning. So alright, that's seasoned well, marinate. So yeah, hold on. Family and friends, if you are new to the channel, stay glued to the channel. Remember, give me some likes, give me some thumbs up. Let me know that you're enjoying my video. And if you have not subscribed as yet, put your whip on. Share the love with Wim's Kitchen and press that subscribe button. Have a conversation in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest other Jamaican, Caribbean, or international meals that you'd like to see me prepare Jamaican style. Alright, so chef pot it up here, sir. And this will go on hot. See there? Like a bubbles in it, you know, chef, so it's soon ready. Alright, chef, tell me what you are doing here now.
Alright, folding the chicken wings.
Presentation wise, so alright.
Dip it in the flour, in the butter.
So I'm going in at the butter, people. Next, he's going to move over to flour in there. The food for thought comes to us today from
Lamentations 3 verses 22 and 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness.
Now remember, my friends, yesterday's blessings, you've already enjoyed it. Today's blessings, you are standing right in it. And tomorrow's blessing, it comes from our promise-keeping Savior who said that they are new every day. Yes. Junior Executive Chef, Lady Wims is behind the camera. Right, so we're in another pot. What them little thing there night? Oh, me go forgot say hell. Let me ask you something. People say, now you cook out the door, you have to be careful and any little thing looks strange in that pot, you know, you have to question it. Next thing I want is a deal. Now, happy birthday to my darling Milton and his dad Enos. And if you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Alright, so chef basically, me come over here to show chef I do. Then knock off some of the flour fried, right?
Yeah, after knock off the excess flour.
Okay.
I can burn.
Oh, okay. Alright, so chef done pull up the pot here now. Yeah. And how long this I go take, chef? About 15 minutes. People after 15 minutes, you come show the one go in a chef. I just talk to me, man. You have to, when you change the operation, you have to tell me. I know you're a surgeon and I'm your assistant. So you have to listen.
Don't want one side to be browner than the other.
Oh.
To be even colored.
The mistake people make is that they wait until one side is fully brown. Right then, people? So food for thought. Make sure you all turn your chicken while it is being browned so it cooks evenly and you get the inside of your chicken nice and juicy. Alright then.
All right, people. So after I come back in the kitchen, I had to step away to greet some guests, people. When I come back, chef don't take out a set there. Chef have a whole new set almost done, people. Change the fire and all, but it's all good. I go and test out the chicken, them well tender inside, outside look crisp and nice. I tell you guys, I can't wait to dig into this.
I go like a chef, you know.
Now, people, this is Jamaican fried chicken at its best. I know people live from foreign come to come get some Jamaican chicken, French fried chicken, cook on the open fire. After that, chef take it out and put it under the colander for it to drain, and people see it there. Mouth watering goodness at its best. Goodness. Boy, people. No, family and friends, just when you eat them good chicken here and them thing you empty, you can't help but dance.
And if ever you're on other social media sites, remember, like and follow my page at Wim's Kitchen. Thank you for coming along with me on this My Jamaican Cooking Experience, where my friend did for you Jamaican French fried chicken, yard style.